guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in this video I have my updated what's my phone. So I know that I shared with you guys my phone and how I got my Samsung Galaxy S21. I thought of it, so this is just a 2-3 month update on how it's going. So I do also have a new phone theme that I would like to share with you guys. It is not a free phone theme just because I saw it and I had to have it. I did want to share with you guys just because I thought it was super cute and I really enjoy the way that it looks. I'll also be sharing with you guys just all the apps that I have on my phone and how my layout looks like. Also, if you guys are interested on my lashes, so they are from my lash shop, Bliss Lashes. I'll link it down below. Here is my phone. I do still have the same case. It is a case from Amazon and I absolutely love it. I do have the pink phone. As you guys could see, there's just rose gold peeking through. I do have a pop socket that I got from Target. It has like the same lavender purple color, and then it has like pink and then glitter. The trimming of my phone is just rose gold and pink. I have had no issues with it. The battery life, the applications, so far no issues, no problem, and I absolutely love the way it looks. It looks so HD, super crisp, nice and bold, nice and clean, and I really enjoy that. So I will be sharing with you guys just how it looks like. So I hope you guys enjoy, like it, and let's just get this video started. Okay guys, so I could not help myself. Look at how adorable it looks like. Okay, so we have a lot of detail going on. We do have all of the characters right here. Super cute. We do have My Melody, Hello Kitty, just everyone, the whole gang's here. We do have just Sanrio characters up at the top and they're all like hanging out. So cute. This is a gradient effect, so it does have like pink, blue, greenish hues, and then our icons are so cute. They're so adorable. I feel like I love when the icons are so kawaii. So our icons down here look like this. These also, the tabs icons and the back button have a super cute effect, and then of course our two or what is this called? This is also super cute, and then up at the top we do have a super cute clouds and stars design. Beautiful. So I'm going to swipe up and here is how it looks like. So this is a nice blue color and here are the rest of the icons. So our icons look like this and then the folders just look like this. So they do have like a purple like shadow, and these are all of my apps. So I do just have a one home screen and then there's nothing here, just nice and clean so you can see the image. I do like to keep things organized like I've mentioned before, so that's why my main most used icons are here, and then I'll swipe up and here are the rest of them. So my applications just are labeled Google, Samsung, T-Mobile, social media, live shopping, music, and picture editing. So these are just the basic Google ones. I'm not gonna go through that, and here are just the Samsung ones. Oh, look at Smart Things, such a cute little picture right here. Ooh, Hello Kitty right here, and then like this unicorn. Okay, so for the T-Mobile, this is just my T-Mobile. These are my social medias that I have, so I do use all of these. So also, if you guys have never used Influencer, use it, you get free stuff. And then these are just like the new stuff from my phone. So these are like my old apps, Zillow and Kaiser, Lyft, and then just Disneyland, which I will be going again soon. I have LinkedIn, and then I do have just Zoom, Duo for chatting, and then my job application, and then these are for my shopping. So I do have a receipt hog just because I get $5 like every other month for free, just scanning receipts. Groupon, I do check my credit score. I do sell on OfferUp in 5 miles, so I do have these, and then obviously I need that Yelp. I do have Venmo and Ulta app. So Here are just my music ones. I do have just Shazam, Netflix, Spotify, and TikTok, which if you guys aren't following me on TikTok, follow me there. I post a lot. So, really fun. And then these are my picture editing apps. So anything that I edit with is all of these. So if you guys are interested, I do use Lightroom. I do have Facetune. I also have InShot, Photo Retouch, so it just kind of erases stuff that I don't want. And Picnic, which is a new application that I actually just discovered. So it changes like the skies for you. I thought that was super cute, so I downloaded it. And so back to my main menu, here are the calendars. So it just has like super cute color combinations, and then I do use my calculator a lot. It's so cute, purple and blue. Look at how cute the phone is. So cute. It just says right there, a little quote. It says, "In our dreams, we are all unicorns. Let's get this party started." So cute. Look at how just everything looks. And then my messaging is adorable. Wow. Love all that wallpaper with all the characters in the background. This blue and then pastels, pink. We do have just like a mint green up at the top. The little icons look so cute. And then here is our keyboard. So cute. The lock screen looks like this. So the lock screen is insane. I wish you guys could see this in person. If you guys want to download it. We just have so much going on. It's like a little party. We have all the characters, the little quote down here. We're dreaming of fun rainbow unicorn parties, and then we just have all of them super pastel rainbowed out, and then we got a cake over here. This is beautiful, guys. Look at how cute these change to enter your pin. Adorable. The way that it looks like with my purple phone case, it just looks so cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this. Stay tuned for free wallpapers and free phone themes. I know this was not a free one, but I just really love this one, and I wanted to share with you guys my phone update and just my phone in general. So I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.